Supply chain resilience in a sustainability context refers to the ability of a supply chain to withstand and recover from disruptions while maintaining its sustainable practices. It involves integrating sustainable principles and practices into the design, operation, and management of the supply chain to ensure long-term viability and minimize negative environmental and social impacts. Here are some key aspects of supply chain resilience in a sustainability context. Diversification and redundancy. A resilient supply chain aims to diversify its suppliers, sourcing, locations, and transportation routes. This reduces the dependency of a single supplier or location, mitigating risks associated with natural disasters, political instability, or disruptions. By diversifying, companies can also support local suppliers and reduce the environmental impact of long-distance transportation. Environmental impact reduction. Supply chains that prioritize sustainability aim to minimize the environmental footprint. This involves adopting practices such as energy efficiency, waste reduction, water conservation, and greenhouse gas emission reduction. Resilience in this context means being able to adapt to changing environmental regulations, consumer preferences, and market demands while maintaining sustainable practices. Social responsibility. Resilient supply chains and sustainability also address social aspects. They promote fair labor practices, ensure safe working conditions, and support the well-being of workers throughout the supply chain. This includes suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, and retailers. Resilience in this context means being responsive to social issues, such as human rights violations or labor disputes, and taking proactive measures to address them. Collaboration and transparency. Building resilience in a sustainable supply chain requires collaboration and information sharing among stakeholders. This includes suppliers, customers, regulators, and local communities. Transparent communication allows for better risk assessment, early detection of potential disruptions, and collaborative problem solving. It also facilitates the exchange of sustainability-related information, enabling stakeholders to work together towards common sustainability goals. Continuous improvement and innovation. Resilient supply chains embrace a culture of continuous improvement and innovation. This involves regularly evaluating and optimizing processes, adopting new technologies, and exploring alternative materials or methods that align with sustainable practices. By embracing innovation, supply chains can adapt to the changing circumstances, anticipate future challenges, and remain competitive in a sustainable manner. By incorporating these principles, supply chain resilience in a sustainability context ensures the long-term viability of the supply chain while minimizing negative environmental and social impacts. It enables businesses to navigate disruptions and uncertainties while staying committed to the sustainable practices and contributing to a more sustainable future.